Okay, let's start. My name is Yuri, and I'm going to introduce you our company, NanoOptometrics, which is working on surface metrology. The global trend is to produce more and more complex equipment, consumer equipment, production equipment, and it requires more complex components. And very crucial for this complex component is the metrology tools, because in advanced manufacturing, the total expenses for metrology is rising and can be up to 35% of total production expenses. Our product is a 3D scanner. Not 3D scanner, but it works like 3D scanner. It's complete surface metrology system. It can measure forms and roughness in nanometer scales, and it could be used in advanced manufacturing, inspection, and quality control. Let's see the common technologies. The common technologies is both optometrics, it's laser and white light technology. Both of them with its advantages and disadvantages. The most common technology is laser technology. It has the advantage of large field of view, up to 300 millimeters, and it's very important for the production process. It's tolerant to vibration. The disadvantage of this technology is that it has very low steps capacity, height steps capacity, because of physical laws. So it's less than 200 nanometers. If we are going to use white light technology, the disadvantage is that it has very small point of view, less than 10 millimeters. And our technology, our equipment can combine the advantages of both technologies. We have very high steps height capacity, up to 100 millimeters, very big field of view, currently 100 millimeter, but we can increase it up to 600 millimeters, and it's tolerant to vibration. As I told you, it's very crucial for many productional processes. Let's see one case from one of our potential customer. It's a real case from one of global HDD producer. They have to measure the slider from the hard disk, and it's very crucial for their quality control. And we have done it, but with none of existing producer in this market of measuring tool producers can measure it in one time. We have measured the slider in one measurement. For example, our customer, he needed more than 10 measurements to get the same results. What does it mean for him? It's more than 4 times space reduction, more than 4 times less personnel, and what's very crucial for him, it's inspection time reduction more than 100 times. It means that they can check the quality of all samples, not 10% as they do it now, and it means increase of quality increase and productivity increase. In this process that they could save $1 million a year, and we are talking about one process. Their production includes more than 200 processes, and at least in 5 of them we can use this technology. When we're talking especially about HDD market, and let me say that it's not the only market, it's one niche market, but when we're talking about it, the total expenditure for equipment is more than 6 billion a year, and more than 5% of it, almost 400 millions, will be spent for metrology equipment. And important for them, large point of view profilometers, 55 millions a year. Another fields of application, it's precision optics and mechanics, semiconductors, and the most promising market, the most growing market, it's MEMS, microelectronic mechanical systems. Well, our current status, we are in the phase 6, TRL 6, technology demonstration. We have a laboratory prototype. It looks not so pretty, but it's a laboratory prototype. We have proof of concept measurements for 2 of our customers, and we have memorandum of understanding with this potential client. And we got 85,000 investment from imprimatur capital. We're going to drive two steps business concept. In initial phase, it includes direct sales to the niche market and licensing of strategic partners, such as 4D Technologies, Zigo and Bruker, which are producing such measurement equipment. We have already talks with Bruker, but they're expecting manufacturer prototype, because we have now only laboratory prototype. Another step would be to install our equipment and to take money as in internet per click, per measurement. About intellectual property, it's owned by the company. We have free to operate by UK lawyers. First patent submitted and second patent is in process and PCT is planned. Our technology includes three components. Two of them is our know-how, vibration isolating algorithm and optical form of spectrum. And the third, it's interferometry techniques. There is nothing unique. Unique is the combination of these three components. Well, our financing needs, we would need about $500,000 for prototyping, and it will take 9 months. 12 months we need to market after prototyping, and investor exit is expecting in 4 to 5 years. I have been asked to push everything in 7 minutes. I hope I did it. So it's our team. It's me. And any questions? It's me flying away. Any questions?